All right, so today I just want to talk about my trading experience the past week or so because I've had a lot of good trades, but I've also made some mistakes that I want to talk about because, as you know, that's what I like to do on this channel. I share my experience trading, and for me, being able to reflect on your mistakes can really help in fixing them and not repeating them. So basically, I was short from right here. We had a chickens drinking water right here. I got into a very nice short position right here at the top, and I rode this thing down. And as we came down here, I entered one long position right here at this wick that got stopped out, but I managed to enter another long right here. And the reason I entered this was because we took out these lows right here, and it was a chickens drinking water. We dipped below the level and then quickly popped back above it, and we were forming bullish divergences on the lower time frames. So this was a very nice long position, and I am still in this long. I took some profits a little earlier than I would like to have because I wasn't really expecting this large of a move, but I still got some of the position open. Those were two of the biggest trades that I took this week, two of the biggest winners. In between this, I got stopped out a few times, but overall, these two trades were very nice. They covered all the losses. It was profitable. Now, as we were getting this large move to the upside, is when I started making some mistakes, I would say. And I think the main mistake that I was making was I couldn't take the hint. I pretty much got stopped out, I think a total of four, maybe five times, trying to short too early. And what I should have done is once I've got stopped out two times max, maybe, I should have realized, okay, well, the bearish divergences that I'm seeing are not playing out. Maybe now is not the time to be trying to catch knives with these short positions. And, I sort of realized that, but I didn't listen to myself. I continued trying to short too early, essentially, even though I had a very specific level in mind. This macro point of control, if I zoom out, this is the point of control of this range that we've been trading in since June. So, very significant level right here. And I was waiting for this level, but instead of being patient, I tried to short too early before we got to that level because I was seeing divergences. And ultimately, that led to most of the profits I got from this long position being drained. It was essentially a net even. Now, fortunately, this wasn't detrimental to my trading accounts. I've had times where I've gotten into these cycles and it has been detrimental to my account. And that was simply because I was both revenge trading and I was not managing my risk in any sort of way. At least now, when I was making these mistakes, when I was trying to short multiple times, basically just trying to get back the losses I had, at least I was managing my risk. So I could take 2, 3, 4, 5 losses, and those losses were still covered by the long that I just had. Now, trading is pretty much entirely a mental game, and that is not the kind of mindset you want to have long term. That is going to be detrimental to your trading career. And that's why I think being honest about it when you do experience those kind of mindsets is very important so you can fix it. But yeah, ultimately, the moral of the story is if I had just waited for the significant levels for the most confident trade, I would have had a very profitable week. Now I had a break even week essentially, and that's okay. As long as I remember this next time and I do better, it was a pretty cheap lesson. All right, well, that's basically it. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Peace.